folks, Michigan isn't that broke. Apparently, our Kent County court system has found some money. The Court Equity Fund, established in 1996, distributes money quarterly to county governments based on a formula that includes the caseload of the circuit and probate courts, along with the number of judgeships in each county. Here's a breakdown of the sources of the $54 million that the Court Equity Fund distributed to counties for 2011. $11.4 million from the Justice System Fund, which collects money for civil infractions, misdemeanors, and felonies. $3.1 million from the Civil Filing Fee Fund, which gets its money from trial courts' civil filing fees. $2.2 million from the Court Fee Fund, which captures money available from the judge's retirement system. $24.3 million from the State Court Fund, which is the catch-all from other above-mentioned funds. And $10.4 million from the State General Fund. $2.6 million from the just-approved transfer of the Juror Reimbursement Compensation Fund monies. Now, what's interesting is I thought, if these funds are giving $1 million away, there's got to be $1 billion in them. So I checked out the State General Fund for 2011, and there was $8.3 billion in that fund. Now, I don't know about you all, but I thought Michigan was broke. But apparently, it's not broke. Now, the Court Fee Fund, which captures money from judges' retirement systems, I'm not sure if people are aware, but some of that money happens to come from child support. And part of the reason why child support is set so high by family court judges is because they get a kickback from the federal government based on how much money they collect in child support. The Juror Reimbursement Compensation Fund gets revenues from the citizens who pay when they're paying for their driver's license and when they demand a jury trials. It was established in 2003 so that the state could pay the counties back for any juror compensation. Well, a lot of people are not going with jurors because they're not trusting our court system. And I just did a video that talked about how in the criminal courts, people aren't getting proper representation, and so people aren't going to jury trials, and instead they're taking plea bargains because they know Michigan system is a failure. And yes, Kent County received $3.1 million last year in 2011. In 2009, it was December, I actually went to a Kent County meeting, and let's see, it was Commissioner Bob Sink said that there was $22 million that was in an unreserved fund for Kent County. I'm kind of interested on how much of that money's been left. If anybody would like to comment on this video, please do. I can't wait to hear what you have to say.